Hey there, in this video we look at editing the source of a page. In the last two videos we looked at viewing the source and saving the source. Now let's look at editing. So to edit, well, I'm showing you, we can go to view source, and out of the box, this is what Internet Explorer gives you, is this viewer. And I'm going to come in here and highlight a section of code and hit the delete key, nothing's happening. Hit the backspace key, nothing's happening. I'm going to come in here and try to type some stuff, place the cursor here, and try to type something, and nothing's happening. So I can look at the code, but I can't edit it. And so if I want to edit it, let me just show you. And again, every browser is different for this in particular, but I'm going to show you Internet Explorer. What I'm going to do is go to Tools, Developer Tools, and that opens up this window. This window, it might be down here, it might be somewhere else, but you'll see this Developer Tools window somewhere. And then you go to the File menu in the Developer Tools, Customize Internet Explorer View Source, longest menu title in the world, and right now it's on default viewer. Switch this over to Notepad, so check this. So again, you go to the File menu, Customize blah blah blah, and then make sure Notepad is checked. Now you can close this Developer Tools, and now when I say View Source, it opens this up in Notepad, so I can make edits. So now I can come in here and say, let's change this to Tony Sacco Design. And so I can make changes here too. I can edit this, but what I can't do, let me save this, or let me save it as, so we can see where it's saving it at. It's saving it here in my documents as TonySacco1.txt. So let's make that change. Change the title to Tony Sacco Design. I'll come back here and reload this page. So when I got off the internet, and you notice it just still says Sacco Design. So the point of this is, I can't go out to any other website. I can't go to Google and view their source and make a change here. Let's see. Let's find their title. There's meta stuff. Sooner or later down here we'll see the title. Their page is pretty complicated for not displaying much there. Let's see if we can even find it. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's just delete all this code. Let's just delete this chunk of code. Page shouldn't work. Do you think I'm going to be able to save this back out to the Google site? I say save, and then reload this, and their page doesn't work. Does that affect everybody? No. I'm just saving a local copy. So if I come back here and look in my documents, I've saved this Google one, wherever it is, and Tony one. Anyway, I've saved them someplace else. I've saved them on my local computer. If I do have permission, like for my own file, so I have permission to write them back up to my web server, I can make changes and do that. So what's this good for? Well, not so much really. It is okay, like if I'm working on one of my own web pages, come here to my documents and let's go to find the lab files. I actually have them in a little bit different place than you guys have them. I don't have them on the O drive, but I come here and say, let's open up one of these guys. Let's open up this document. Now I can come in and say view source, and I'm right in the editor. So I can edit this one. This is mine. I can save this, change the title of this page, and now if we refresh this, you notice the title up here did change. So I can change my own local files that I see here. And again, the nice thing about this is I just say view source and boom, it pops it up in the editor. It just saves me a step of having to go find the file and open it in the editor myself. So again, this is handy for editing your own files. It's not really handy for doing as handy as the other ones for viewing other people's source, that type of thing. Okay, but that's it for this one. We'll see you in the next video.